Hey, friends. Today we're going to talk about ChatGPT, one of the most popular artificial intelligences that is actively changing our perception of technology. You've probably heard of it, but do you know how it was created, how it works, and what cool features most people don't know about? Let's dive in. In this video, we'll not only tell you about ChatGPT but also show you 10 interesting features that will surprise you. So, don't go anywhere, it's going to be exciting. Creation of ChatGPT is a chatbot based on GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a powerful neural network developed by OpenAI. GPT is a model that is trained on vast amounts of text to understand and generate human language. The model uses machine learning algorithms to predict words and phrases, allowing it to create meaningful responses. First of all, it's important to note that GPT was initially trained on massive datasets, books, articles, and web pages, to understand context and provide relevant information. In 2022, ChatGPT was released, using GPT-3 and its enhanced version, GPT-4, to communicate with users in real time. This approach has led to truly remarkable results, and GPT became available to everyone. It can answer questions, assist with writing, programming, and even create poetry. 10 features that few people know about. One of the most remarkable features of ChatGPT is its ability to understand the context of a conversation. It remembers what you talked about earlier and can take that into account in future responses. This helps create more natural and coherent conversations. If you're stuck on some code, you can ask it for an explanation or even request a solution to a problem. It can also help you find errors in your code. Although English is the primary language for training GPT models, ChatGPT understands and responds in many languages, including Russian, French, Spanish, and even rare languages. It can generate creative texts according to your preferences, whether it's humor or serious topics. For example, you can ask it for unconventional solutions to business challenges. ChatGPT can suggest how to pronounce words correctly, translate them, and even train you in dialogues. It can speak more formally or informally, depending on what you prefer. If you need to create complex text, from articles to research papers, ChatGPT can help not only with generation but also with organizing the material. Introduction, main points, conclusion, and even sections for footnotes. If you don't understand a complex topic, ChatGPT can explain it at different levels of complexity, from simple and accessible to more in-depth and scientific explanations. ChatGPT can offer recommendations for movies, books, restaurants, travel routes, and even create to-do lists. It works as a personal assistant that's always at your fingertips. Using ChatGPT in various professions. ChatGPT is not just for fun. It actively helps professionals across a wide range of fields. Let's look at a few examples. Lawyers can use ChatGPT for document analysis, contract drafting, or finding legal precedents. It quickly helps with legal formulations and checks. Writers find ChatGPT an excellent tool for generating ideas or even writing entire chapters. It can suggest plot twists, create characters, or assist with editing. Programmers can use it for coding or debugging. ChatGPT helps with code optimization or suggests solutions for various tasks. Marketers use ChatGPT for generating advertising copy, content ideas, and even creating social media strategies. As you can see, ChatGPT is a versatile assistant that can save time and simplify routine work in any field. How to set up and personalize ChatGPT. One of the biggest advantages of ChatGPT is the ability to customize it to your personal preferences. For example, you can set the communication style. If you want more formal responses, just let ChatGPT know, and it will use a more professional tone. You can also adjust the depth and complexity of the answers. For instance, if you need a simple explanation, it can explain things in an easy-to-understand way. But if you want a more detailed and scientific explanation, ChatGPT will adapt to that as well. For specific tasks, such as writing texts or generating ideas, ChatGPT can easily adapt to your topic. Just provide some context and details, and it will give you relevant responses. These settings make interacting with ChatGPT even more convenient and personalized, allowing you to effectively tackle tasks based on your needs. These are the amazing possibilities behind ChatGPT. As you can see, it's not just a chatbot but a powerful tool that can become your assistant in many areas of life. If you haven't tried using ChatGPT yet, definitely give it a try. I'm sure it will surprise you. Share in the comments which features you already knew about and which ones were new to you. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos. See you soon.